How to fix disconnected from server error in Throne and Liberty. So if you're facing this issue, how you can fix this right now? So the one of the common solution is restart the game. Close and reopen Throne and Liberty. This simple step can often resolve connection issues. And the best thing you can do is just go and turn off your internet and just restart it, and that's the thing here. Now, advanced troubleshooting. So check server status. Visit social media official forums to see if there are ongoing server issue. Websites like x.com to provide real-time updates on server status. Try different servers here, often launching the game. Selecting an alternate server. Some players have found success by switching to servers in different regions such as Japan or South American. Right, and this is thing here, and this is very easy. Now adjust compatibility settings. Right, so this is also very important. For example, let's say you have to right click on the game here, on the icon, go and click on show more properties, and now here go and click on properties. Right now here you have to go to this option. Let me show you up. Right, go to the details or somewhere option here, compatibility, and here click on run this program as an administrator. Right, so this is very important, and this is really easy thing to do. And once you do this, just go and click on apply and click on OK. Right, so this might fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.